Honda has officially unveiled the full specifications of the new Honda CB500 Super 4, expanding on the initial teaser that highlighted its engine and key features. At its heart is a 502cc inline four-cylinder engine, now confirmed to produce around 71 horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 47.1 Newton-meters of torque at 10,000 RPM. The engine features a relatively high compression ratio of 12.3 to 1, emphasizing its high revving character. Honda has also equipped the bike with a ride-by-wire throttle and a more compact version of its advanced e-clutch system. The CB500 Super 4 weighs in at 188 kilograms wet, and Honda claims a top speed of 180 kilometers an hour. Impressive figures for a middleweight naked bike in this segment. Underpinning the motorcycle is a steel frame paired with a cast aluminum swing arm. Suspension duties are handled by KYB components, including non-adjustable USD front forks and a preload-adjustable rear monoshock. On the features front, the bike gets a 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, along with multiple ride modes and traction control. The fuel tank capacity stands at 14.5 liters. Overall, the CB500 Super 4 combines classic inline-4 performance with modern electronics and practical usability, positioning it as an exciting new offering in Honda's middleweight lineup.